Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the JavaScript settings or the JavaScript execution in Edge app on Android. Tap on these three bar options, go to settings, and within the settings select privacy and security and choose the site settings. Within the site settings you have this JavaScript settings which under the content which is set to allowed. So if you want to disable the JavaScript execution, what you can do is you can just toggle this switch off and then the JavaScript will be blocked for all the websites. However, it is not recommended because JavaScript is a core scripting language which all modern websites need, and some of the website might not work intended if you disable this JavaScript. So instead what you can do is you can enable this JavaScript and add a particular site that you want to block for the JavaScript execution, and once you added that website, hit on save command and it will exclude the JavaScript execution on that particular site. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions related to JavaScript settings. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.